Hello everyone, you are welcome to learn English with examples. The lesson of today is English pronouns. Personal pronouns. This is a very important lesson for beginners. So in English we have 7 personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Personal pronouns. I, the first person singular. You, the second person singular. He, the third person male singular. She, the third person female singular. It, the third thing singular. We, the first person plural. You, the second person plural. They, the third person plural. The difference between this group and this group is that these are used for one person or one thing. As you can see here, singular, 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 singular. And here we use this for a group, 2 people or more, which is known as plural. Let's start with I. I is always used by the first person, the speaker. Examples: I am the speaker. I am teaching you English. I like English. I play football every Saturday. I drink coffee every morning. You. You is used for the second person, male and female, singular. The person that is with the speaker and the speaker talk to him or her directly. Examples: You are my student. I am the speaker and I am talking to you directly. You are one person, so I will say you are my student. You like English. You are learning pronouns in English. You are listening to your teacher. He. He is used for the third person, male, singular. The third person, he, is most often not with the speaker. He is in another place. Examples: John is my best friend. He is at school now. Cristiano is the best football player. He plays for Juventus. My teacher is awesome. He is from England. Jonas is the best singer. He lives in United States of America. As you can see, he, we use it for male person that is not with the speaker. John and Cristiano and my teacher and Jonas are not with the speaker, are not with me now. They are in another place. She. She is used for the third person female singular. The third person, she, is most often not with the speaker. She is in another place. She and he are the same. The difference is that she for female and he for male. This is the only difference. They are both are not with the speaker and they are in another place. So let's see examples. Anna learns English. She wants to be a teacher. Adele is the best female singer. She lives in Canada. Donna is a designer. She designs female clothes. Victoria was my best friend. She got married 2 years ago. If you see in these examples, Anna, Adele, Donna, and Victoria, they are female, singular, and they are not with the speaker. They are in another place. They are in another place. It is used for the third thing, singular. The third thing, it, is not for human, but other things like buildings, cars, animals, tree, etc. Examples: the university is very large. It is near to our home. The car of the teacher is red. It is beautiful. The football is enjoyed by many people. It is the source of their happiness. If you pay attention, we see that we use it for something not human, like the university, the car, the football, etc. We is used by the first person plural. We is used by a group, males or females, in which the speaker is included. Examples: John, Adam, and I are good friends. We are studying English at the university. My mother and I like to drink tea. We always drink tea in the morning. My brother and I like to play football. We play every Sunday evening. If you say, we use we for a group of more than 2 people. Like here, we have John, Adam, and I. A group of people which the speaker is included in. So I am with these 2 people, so we will see we. My mother and I. We are 2, so we are a group, so we will see we. And here my brother and I. We are 2 people, we are a group, so we'll see we play. You is used for the second person plural. You is used for a group, males, females, that the speaker talk to directly. Examples: you are my students. You are learning English. You are from different countries. You speak different languages. Adam and Sarah, you work hard. You will succeed in your life. John and Laura, listen to me. Please, you must do the homework. If you say in these examples, I'm talking with you. You are my students. You are more than one. You are a group. You are my students. You are learning English. You are from different countries. For example, you are different people from different countries watching my video and learning. So you are from different countries. You speak different language. Here we have Adam and Sarah. For example, you are two my students and we are in the same place. We are in a class. I will see Adam and Sarah. You work hard. You will success in your life. And the last example with two of my students, John and Laura. Listen to me. They are with me in the same place. So I will say, John and Laura, listen to me, please. You must do the homework. And the last personal pronoun is the. The is used for the third person plural. The is used for a group of males or females. The third person they are most often not with the speaker. Examples: Americans work very hard. They are very successful. The teachers become very tired. They speak a lot in class. Languages are very important. They help you know different people. So if you see here, we use the to talk about a group of people that are not with the speaker. They are in another place. Americans, they are in America. Teachers, here I'm talking about teachers in general. And language, more than one language, and language in general. This is all what we have for this lesson. I will make some other lessons about pronouns, but not with these pronouns, with the other type of pronouns, and you will find them all on my channel. Just one more last advice. I think you have to write down the examples on your notebook, and you will find the lesson in my website. The link is in the description. Thank you and have a good day.